This might just be the most profitable service business that nobody's talking about in 2026. Everybody's talking about starting a pressure washing business, detailing cars, or mowing lawns. But those markets are packed, prices keep dropping, and most people burn out before they ever see any real freedom. Hi, I'm Matt. I'm a former lawyer turned mobile auto body paint pro. I started with one trailer and grew the business to over $1 million a year and more than $14 million in total since I started the business in 2012. And the crazy part? Hardly anyone online is talking about this business. So in this video, I'm going to show you why mobile auto body repair is the most profitable business for 2026 that nobody's talking about. The kind of opportunity that gives you real freedom without debt, stress, or hype. Now, like I said, you've probably heard people talk about, or you may have even looked into, starting a cleaning business, or a pressure washing business, or detailing cars. But here's the thing, hardly anybody is talking about mobile auto body repair. And it's not because it doesn't work. It actually works extremely well. I just told you what I've been able to build. The reason it's still this hidden gem comes down to just a few simple things. First, most people in the US are used to going to a big body shop when they get a dent or a scratch. That's just what they've always done. But in places like the UK or Australia, it's totally normal for a technician to come out to your driveway and fix your car where it sits. Now, second, a lot of people assume you can't do this kind of work legally without a shop, but that just simply isn't true. Yes, there's regulations, but as far as I know, every state allows mobile services if you have the right setup. And third, big franchises have made it seem like this business costs over $100,000 to start, so most regular guys never even look into it. And finally, to be honest with you, there just aren't many people making YouTube videos about it. Pressure washing and detailing, they're everywhere. But mobile auto body repair? Hardly anybody's teaching it, even though the demand is massive. So what happens? A small group of people like me are making $10,000 to $20,000 a month doing repairs, while everyone else has no idea this opportunity even exists. Now let's talk about why I believe that this is the best business to start in 2026. First, it doesn't cost as much as you think to start. You don't need a shop or even expensive overhead. Most people can get going for under 10 grand. You just need the right tools, the right training, and a good setup. Second, the profit margin is really high. Most residential and commercial repairs bring in around $500 to $800 each. And most repairs only take 1 to 3 hours to complete. So if you're doing one job a day, it's about $600 a day, or roughly $3,000 a week. That's real income without a big team or a big shop. Third, the demand is everywhere. There are cars on every corner, and scratches, dents, and paint damage happen every single day. Now, most people don't want to wait weeks or pay inflated shop prices, and that's where mobile repair wins. You come to them, and they love that convenience. Not to mention, the repairs come in around half the price of body shops. And lastly, it gives you freedom. You can choose your schedule, your workload, and how big or small you want to grow it. You decide when to work, who to work for, and how much you want to make. Low cost, high profit, big demand, real freedom. That's why this business checks every box for 2026. But most people still never start because of these 4 big myths. So let's go ahead and crush those right now. Myth number 1, you need a shop. Well, no, you don't. That's one of the biggest misconceptions out there. We've done hundreds of jobs right in driveways and parking lots with happy customers and professional results for the last 15 years. Myth number 2, you need years of experience. That just simply isn't true either. You can learn this skill in weeks, not years. If you're willing to practice and follow a proven process, you can start taking paid jobs fast. A focused 20 hours of practice can completely change your income potential. Myth number 3, it's hard to find customers. Well, actually, it's easier than ever. People are already looking for the service. They just don't know who to call. And once you set up a simple Google business page and post some before and after photos, you'll start getting local leads faster than you'd expect. In fact, nearly every time I was out in the field working on a customer vehicle, neighbors would stop by and ask me about my services. Myth number 4, you need a big team. Nope, you can start solo. One person, one setup, a few tools, and a skill that people actually want. You can scale later if you want to make even more money, but you don't need to do that to get started to make real money. So don't let these myths stop you. You don't need a shop, you don't need years of training, and you don't need a big team. You just need a clear plan, solid effort, and the right skills. Now let's talk about how this actually turns into real income. I'm not talking about a get-rich-quick scheme here. I'm talking about a simple step-by-step process that works for anyone that's willing to put in the work. So step number one is going to be to get your tools and learn the skills. You don't have to spend a fortune. A basic setup is all you need to get started. In fact, in my program, I teach my students everything that they need to know, from how to perform the repairs to how to acquire the customers. Learn the process, practice, and focus on mastering the fundamentals. Things like fixing bumper scrapes, paint chips, panel blends, headlight and wheel refinishing, and ceramic coatings. These are the jobs that people need every single day. And once you handle those common repairs with confidence, you'll have the skills to start booking real paying work fast. Step two, start small. Work for friends, family, or neighbors. Build that confidence up. Take photos to create a small portfolio of before and after shots and ask for 5-star reviews. Step number three is get found online. Set up your Google business profile. Post your work consistently. So when people in your area search for paint and dent repair, you're going to show up. And that's how local jobs start coming in. In my program, I give my students the exact optimized landing page that I've used to get customers every single day. Step number four, grow smart. Now, once you've got steady work, you can raise your prices and book more jobs. Over time, one job a day can easily turn into two, leading to consistent $10,000 to $20,000 months. That's how you go from zero to profitable without a shop, without a team, and without a bunch of debt. But even with the right steps, most people still miss the thing that truly makes this work. And I learned this the hard way back when I was still a lawyer. Back in the day, I used to bill hours as a lawyer. My time didn't belong to me, it belonged to somebody else. Now that same effort goes into something that builds freedom and not burnout. And that's what I want you guys to see. The skill of mobile auto body repair is not just a way to make money. It's a way to control your time, your schedule, and your future. You can work independently, set your own rules, and actually see results of your effort every single day. If you're someone who's tired of working hard and still feeling stuck, this can be the path that finally changes that. So if you avoid the mistakes that most beginners make, this business can completely change your life. Now you see why mobile auto body repair is one of the best kept secrets of 2026. There's real money to be made. You do not need a shop or a team, and hardly anybody is doing it in the United States yet. And it's proven, low cost, and in constant demand. If you're serious about starting your own mobile paint repair business, now is the time to get in. So click the link below. I'll show you exactly how to build it step by step. And if you want to avoid the same mistakes that I made when starting my mobile auto body repair business, you're going to want to watch this next video right here.